Another common statistical test is the chi-square test or the Pearson chi-square. So when do we use the Pearson chi-square test? It is used to test whether there is a statistically significant relationship between two categorical variables. So it accompanies a cross tabulation between two variables. So you have to take note that both dependent and independent variable must be a categorical data. And this is to test the relationship, okay, between two categorical data. So that the independent variable must be categorical data, while the dependent variable is also a categorical data. Okay. So example, educational attainment and the use of contraceptives. So is there an association between the two variables? Okay, so the independent variable, educational attainment, is a categorical data. So we have elementary graduate, high school graduate, college graduate. Okay, so it's a categorical data. And the dependent variable, the use of contraceptives. So the participants would answer yes or no. Okay. So it's also a categorical data. Okay, yes or no is a categorical data. So both variables are categorical data. So let us examine again a data on SPSS on weight management activity. Our inferential question would be, is there a significant relationship between the initial weight and the initial BMI of the participants? Okay, so our independent variable is initial weight. So take note, it becomes categorical data because we convert numerical data into an interval scale. So this is now this is a sample of interval scale. So it becomes categorical data. Same is true with the initial BMI of the participants is also a categorical data. Okay, because we converted it into a scale variable. So 10 to 15, 16 to 20, and so on. Okay, so let us open a file on weight management. Okay, so this is the weight management file. So just click analyze. Okay, and then look for descriptive statistics, then cross tab. Okay, and then we move the variable initial weight, okay, here on the first row, and the initial BMI on the column. Okay, and then click statistics here, then check chi-square test, and then continue, then just click OK. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so let's try to interpret the results, okay, of our test. So our question a while ago, is there a relationship between the initial weight of the participants and the initial BMI? So you notice again on the p-value or the significant value is less than 0.05 level of significance. So therefore, we could now say that there is a relationship between the initial weight and the initial BMI of the participants. Okay, you can also report the descriptive statistics of our data or the cross tabulation. So let's have a sample write-up of our output. So a Pearson chi-square test was conducted to examine whether there is a relationship between the initial weight and the BMI. So the results revealed that there was a significant relationship between the two variables. So of course we have to include the chi-square value, the degrees of freedom, and the p-value. So there is a relationship between the two variables since the p-value is less than 0.05 level of significance. So this means that the higher your initial weight, the higher your BMI. Okay? So that's how we use the chi-square test to test the relationship between two categorical data.